Hi guys. Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. I really appreciate the support. Hey, I don't know about you guys, but I go from major project to major project, and some of the little things I just kind of let slide for a while because I just really don't have time to invest in fixing those things. But today I'm going to bundle up several of those things that have just been annoying me and finish up a couple of projects. I'm going to have some good times today. You guys stay tuned. All right, well, if the switch, or the gauge up front is going wonky, you do have this plug that goes to the engine oil. I don't know which goes to which, but you also have this back here, and you just follow the wire that's coming out of it. Check it too, and hopefully that will fix the problem. Well, hey guys, listen, the cab is not just for good looks and it's just fun to do. You've got to do a little bit of maintenance. I want to show you something real quick that I found when I lifted the cab over at Bob's place. Right here. Okay, it looks like this is a little loose, right? Yeah. Where's the bolt? I mean, the rest of the bolt and the nut. I think maybe it got twisted off, huh? That is really weird. I mean, thankfully I have another one, but that's strange. That big a bolt got twisted off. All right, so before I knock this the rest of the way out of there, what I need to do is get a wedge. I think I have some up here in my toolbox. Just wedge that right under there so I can make sure to get it back up again. All right. Well, it looks like even these are not on there right, but man, look at that. Snapped it right off. Now looks like a good refurb on this bolt. Let's get this thing in and get this thing back mission ready. Well, I picked up this big monster drop down, 20 bucks. It's looking pretty hideous. It needs some TLC, but hey, I know somebody who can powder coat. Let's get this thing powder coated and put on the Malachi the quick way this time. Hey, good morning, guys. I'm even up so early that I actually have to wear a coat. It's the middle of summer. But I have a part in the oven that I left overnight. Let's go check it out. Okay. Let's get to lifting this thing, huh? Wow. Pretty remarkable. Powder coating is a wonderful thing. Gorgeous. Remember what that thing looked like, all rusty? Ah, this is gonna look great. Well, I'm starting to see why I got such a great deal on this. It's $20. I felt sorry for the homeless guy I bought that from. But I'm starting to see why that there is an issue with this. And it's even further away. It's about right here. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to drill a couple holes. Thank goodness I have a drill press. You know what a drill press is, right, Sean? I'll bet you do. And here's the sad state of affairs. Look how close that's going to be. So now, not only am I going to have to drill this out, but I'm going to have to weld this up so that it isn't weak right here. Ah, Lord. Well, this is what I'm going to do. I broke this end off years ago. You could just barely see right here that this actually did come from Goodwill. Hey, it's tool steel. I'm going to use this tool steel to fill up this hole that shouldn't be here. It's in the wrong spot. And I'm going to grind it down smooth, so this ought to be actually pretty tough. Got the new hole drilled. That's the biggest drill bit that I got. Fortunately, the keeper pin fits in there like a glove. So I'm just going to leave it at that size. Kind of upsets me a little bit, though, that I had to ruin my beautiful powder coat. But it is what it is. Heck yeah, guys on Forged and Fire would be proud of that. No occlusions. And if you do it just right, it's almost like it didn't even happen. Well, now I gotta paint this up. No biggie. All right, we'll check it out. Everything is in where it needs to be. And I think that hitch drops down beautifully. Oh, you know that's right. Well, I managed to relocate the license plate. I think that's going to go pretty good right there. It's pretty simple, just a piece of angle, and just welded 2 bolts onto it, and welded 2 bolts to the bumper part here, and then just bolted it too. I'm going to use an aviation style to secure my license plate. Well guys, I think I'm done for the day. I didn't even show you rebuilding the upper half of my compressor pump. Yeah, the reed valves were all shot, had to replace all of those and put new gaskets in, but that's a whole nother issue. Didn't even film it. But got a lot done on Malachi today. Pretty happy about that. Till next time guys, I'm signing out. You guys be safe and God bless. Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, click on that like button right down there. If you'd like to subscribe, click on my face. And as always, leave a comment. That is how you support this channel. Thank you so very much. I'll see you guys next time. Hey, don't forget to click another video now.